Hey WordPress users, in today's video I'm going to show you how to automatically adjust your WooCommerce product prices based on your customer's country using the Price Based on Country WordPress plugin. So let's get started. So what the Price Based on Country plugin mainly does. The plugin lets you show different prices depending on where your customer is visiting from. For example, you can sell the same product for example, $49 for the US visitors and for 45 euros in Europe, and all automatically. So instead of one fixed price, you are creating a localized pricing strategy which can seriously improve conversions. Now let's jump into the dashboard. Once you have successfully installed and activated the plugin, the first step is going to be to enable the geolocation. So first go to the WooCommerce, then click on the settings and select the general settings tab. Now let's find the default customer location and set it to the geolocate. This step is critical. Without it, the plugin won't know where your visitors are coming from. And for example, if someone visits your store from Germany, WooCommerce will detect that and trigger the correct pricing zone automatically. The second step is to create pricing zones. So next, go to the WooCommerce and from the settings tab, choose the price based on country and select these zones. Here you can create different pricing zones. For example, you could create a US zone and select the currency USD, a Europe zone setting the currency to euros, or an Asia zone setting currency local currencies or USD fallback. And inside each zone, you can either set manual prices or exchange rate-based prices. So the third step is to set product prices. Now open any product. Here in my example, I've set a US zone and set the price to 49. In Europe, I set it to 45 euros, and you can add other region and set maybe $39 for a more competitive price. So this gives you full control over how your pricing adapts globally. Now let's talk about the core features of the plugin. The first feature I want to focus on is the country-based pricing. So you can define completely different prices per region, not just currency conversion, but actual pricing strategy. For example, you might charge higher prices in high-income markets and lower prices in price-sensitive regions. This helps maximize both sales and profit. The next feature is automatic currency switching. The plugin automatically shows the correct currency for each user, making your store feel local and more trustworthy. So a visitor from France won't see dollars, they'll see euros instantly. This builds trust because customers prefer shopping in their local currency. Now let's talk about the premium features the plugin offers to its users. The automatic exchange rate updates. You can enable automatic daily exchange rate updates so your prices stay accurate without manual work. This is huge if you are managing multiple currencies at scale. For example, if today $1 equals to approximately 0.92 euros, the plugin will calculate the European price automatically, and if exchange rates change tomorrow, your prices update without you touching anything. The WooCommerce subscription integration. The plugin also integrates with WooCommerce subscriptions, which means for example, US users pay $10 monthly and European users pay 9 euros monthly, which is recurring payments respect country-based pricing, and subscription products can have localized pricing. This is extremely valuable for SaaS and membership-based stores. So all of these features allow you to optimize pricing based on market conditions and increase conversions. So what I really like about this plugin is the flexibility. You can go fully automatic with exchange rates or fully manual with custom pricing per country. And combined with geolocation, it creates a seamless experience for global customers. So if you're running a WooCommerce store and want to optimize your pricing for different markets, these plugins is definitely worth checking out. So that's it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to WP Club's YouTube channel for more WordPress plugins review.